types of charts to visualize your data. To compare monthly income and expenses, the 2D column chart is a common choice. To evaluate performance goals over time, you may want to consider the line chart. And a pie chart will be the ideal choice to show the share of different opinions that will sum up to 100% of the population. In the first example, I have these 5 people and their monthly salaries. Okay, now let's format these 2 columns as a table. You can do it by simply going to the Home tab and then select the 2 columns and choose Format as Table to format the 2 columns as a table. And then let's rename the first column as Name and the second column as Monthly Salary. And now the table is ready, and you can insert a simple column chart to show the salaries for different people. And you can use these options here to format the chart's title, legend, labels, etc. etc. Now, in the second example, I'm going to talk about how you can use Excel to plot a mathematical equation, y equals to mx plus b. And the first thing that we have to do is to calculate y given a particular x value. And we can simply use a formula to calculate y given this m, b, and x. And the formula should be y equals to a2 times c2 plus b2. So notice that when you drag and autofill the formula to get more y values, the reference to the m and b values will move too. So now we are not actually referring to this m and this b, but instead we are referring to A3 and B3, which are these empty cells. And that's why you get some incorrect answers here. To fix it, you have to use absolute cell reference for M and B. And it can be done by simply adding a $sign before the reference. You can lock both the address letter and also the address value. So now if you are referring to M and B, you are always referring to A2 and B2. And after you apply absolute cell reference for M and B, now you will get some correct answers for Y. And then you can simply select X and Y and insert a scatter chart with line to plot Y equals to mx plus b. And again, you can use these options to format your chart.